to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can be a Hungry Panda driver. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply scroll down and tap open a web browser and type in the URL www.hungrypanda.co/riders. After you do this, you will end up in the official webpage of Hungry Panda. Now simply to become a rider, you can find an option called Join Now. So simply tap on it, and once you do this, you will now be redirected to this kind of interface. So here you need to simply sign up by choosing a country, city, your phone number, your PIN and your password, and tap on the sign up to deliver option. After doing this, you need to verify yourself and pass through a stage of questionnaires. So once you are done with that as well, you will be successful in becoming a rider or delivery partner in Hungry Panda. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.